The wandering albatross holds the record for the longest wingspan of any living bird. Imagine wings stretching out to nearly 11 feet across. This incredible span lets the albatross glide effortlessly over the vast open ocean. Albatrosses are true masters of flight. Using techniques like dynamic soaring and slope soaring, they can travel thousands of kilometers without flapping their wings. This helps them save energy during their epic journeys. But there's more to these birds than just flying. Albatrosses are famous for their lifelong partnerships. They perform elaborate courtship dances, with synchronized movements, bill clacking and unique calls, forming bonds that can last for decades. The wandering albatross, a symbol of endurance, grace and devotion,